everybody, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KitchenTube HD. Today I'm going to make pizza in a mug, and that too under 2 minutes in the microwave. So let's get started. Use a wide mouth mug of medium height. I don't have one, so I'm using a ramekin. So let's get started. First, in the ramekin, add 3 tablespoons of flour. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Next, add garlic powder. It's optional. Mix. Next, add 3 tablespoons of milk. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix. Send it. Next, let's add the pizza sauce, one of my favorite ingredients in pizza. It's 2 tablespoons. Spread it equally. Okay. Next, add the toppings. You can add whatever toppings you want, like chicken, maybe like sausages, pepperoni, but I'm using freshly cut veggies. And in this it has orange and green capsicum, tomatoes, corn, and black olive. Spread it evenly. Look how colorful it is. Next, let's add my favorite part of the pizza, cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, my favorite cheese. So let's sprinkle it on top. I'll just dump it. Spread it evenly. Good. Sprinkle pizza seasoning. And finally, sprinkle chili flakes. Okay. Now, let's microwave it for 1.5 minutes. Microwave. Okay, working. Time depends on the power of your microwave oven. Mine is 900 watts. Wait, it's actually melting. Boiling. Okay, now we have it here. So it's done, let's take it out. And now our pizza in the mug is ready. Taste time. Whoa, look at the cheese. Thank you for watching KitchenTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow in Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to KitchenTube. And please do share to your friends if you like it. And tell me in the comments how it turned out. Bye!